In our data transformation exercise, the pipe operator will help our code to be clean and readable. We just learned how to filter a data frame, the data frame micro, to the observations for which year equals 1962. Next, we're going to do this same operation using the pipe operator. We're going to start with the data frame. This is our micro data set. Then I'm going to type the pipe operator. This is a vertical bar and then a greater than sign. Now when I hit enter, you'll notice that RStudio automatically indents. This is because the line of code that follows is going to draw on information from the line above. So I'm next going to call the filter function, and I'm going to hand it the argument year equals 1962. Okay, so how do we read this? We begin with the micro data set, and we're going to use the pipe to pass that data set down to the next command. It's going to automatically use whatever's here as the first argument to the filter function. Then the second argument and beyond are going to be the things that we type in here. So when I run this line, I see that I again get the micro data set restricted to the observations in the year 1962. So what I have in line 8 and in lines 10 to 11, they accomplish the exact same function. So why might we prefer piping? We might prefer piping because it's especially readable. This says begin with the micro data set, then filter to year 1962. The pipe's also especially useful because soon we're going to see that we're going to make additional restrictions and data transformations with additional pipes that go on additional lines. This allows our code to read like a sentence. Finally, we might want to store the result in a new object. Maybe we call that filtered. So we can do that here also. So we have our micro data set. We're going to filter to the year 1962, and we're going to store that in an object called filtered.